Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you today? I'm also bright and shiny by the grace of Allah. At first, I'd like to thank my respected teacher for calling me here and give me this opportunity to introduce myself. So now I'm going to introduce myself. I am Saida Said Tahi. You can call me Tahi. I am from Cox's Bazar, Baharchara East to be more exact. I'm 16 and one of three siblings. Recently, I have completed secondary school certificate examination from Cox's Bazar Government Girls High School. And now I'm waiting for my result. Yes, I can add more. I'm a hard worker, loyal, and perseverant. I like sleeping, listening to Islamic songs, but reading storybooks is my passion. I love to read storybooks. I believe in one sentence that runs my life. Honesty is the best policy. That's all about me. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.